name is Bulan and this is my competency video. In this video, I'm gonna explain about the measurement morphological of fish. For the measurement of fish morphology, I will use measuring board and ruler. For the measuring board, it will be used to measure the total length, standard length, and head length. This ruler is used to measure the body depth or body length. In this video, I use Colopsis species, which is the local name called ikan kopeng. First, I will explain about the morphological measurement of this fish. First, I will measure the total length, then standard length, head length, and body length. First, for the total length, I will measure from the tip of the mouth until at the end of the tail. Then, for the standard length, I will measure start from the tip of the mouth until at the end of the muzzle. Next, I will measure the head length, which is I will start measure from the tip of the mouth until at the end of the operculum fish. Then the last one, I will measure about the body length, which is I will measure start from the top of the body until the bottom of the body. Alright, here I will start demonstrate how to measure the total length. First, we need to pinch at the end of the tail. Make sure the tip of the mouth touch the measuring board. So the reading for the total length is 17 cm. Next, I will measure the standard length. For the standard length, I will take reading from the tip of the mouth until at the end of the muzzle. The reading is 14 cm. Now I will proceed with the head length. For the head length, it will be measured start from the tip of the mouth until at the end of the operculum. The measure is 4 cm. The last one, I will measure the body length, which is start from the top of the body until at the bottom of the fish body. Next, there are three methods that used to preserve specimen for molecular work. First, it is cooling, refrigeration, and freezing. Second method is drying, and the third method is chemical preservation. Refrigeration or cooling are used to preserve biological materials over short periods. It can reach up to 4 degrees Celsius. Next, for freezing method, it is used to preserve specimens for study skins or mounting. It can reach up to -10 degrees Celsius. The second method is drying. Drying is important to keep the dry sample and protect it from humidity by add silica gel to absorb water vapor. Forgot to bring silica gel to the field trip? Don't worry, we can replace it with rice. Rice also can be used to absorb considerable amount of humidity. The third method is chemical preservation. We can use buffered formalin and 70% until 90% of ethanol. Formalin are used for histological examinations and food preserved specimen. For ethanol, it is used for long-term storage tissue that are already preserved in formalin. Now, I want to explain how to preserve specimen for museum sample. The chemical that can be used to preserve museum sample are 10% of formalin and 70% of ethanol. Now, how to prepare 10% of formalin? In order to prepare 10% of formalin, we need to dilute 100 ml of 40% formaldehyde with 900 ml of distilled water. Now, I will proceed on how we need to prepare 500 ml of 70% ethanol from 100% ethanol. First, we need to make the ratio of ethanol and water. In order to dilute the ethanol and water, we need 70% of ethanol and 30% of water. It means the ratio is 7 parts of ethanol and 3 parts for distilled water. In order to prepare 500 ml of 70% of ethanol, we need to find the volume of ethanol and the volume of water needed. So, here is the calculation on how we need to find the volume of ethanol and water. We need 350 ml of ethanol and 150 ml of water. Finally, we get the 500 ml of 70% ethanol for museum sample preservation. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.